Hello everyone, myself Mumtaz Qadri. I am working as an assistant professor and consultant optometrist at Lotus College of Optometry and Eye Hospital. I have been associated with this Optometry Confederation of India since its inception. Means since 2012, we were the first members of the Optometry Confederation of India. But let me talk about today about the Vision for Cause. So there are two aspects. One, we have served the community, and second, we have trained the future optometrist. If I go to the first aspect, where we are providing the community, because they cannot come to us, we are going to them. And if you see, we are talking about future India, and children play a very important role in that. So the whole Vision for Cause was only and only for children, but children who are underserved, who are studying in a municipal school, where they don't have any kind of accessibility to eye care, where they don't know what is eye care, there is no awareness. So the whole project was based on how we can go there, we can do a comprehensive eye examination for them, and then we provide them glasses. So it has covered everything apart from only glasses. See, initially also we used to do a very brief screening of school eye health program, but now with this program, with the particular protocol which we are finding out right now, with plus 1.5 blood test, with the MIM test, with the cover test, with NPC, NPA, we are focusing apart from refractive error also on NSBVA and other ocular mobility, which I think so it is very important. Now I come to as an optometry institute, we have a responsibility of teaching the future optometrist. But now if you see, we don't get live patient for each and every student. But through these camps and everything, we are sending patients, we are sending students at the campsite where they can take their individual decision. They become more responsible, the accountability increases, and then of course, after we do the camp, of course their clinical skills are enhancing over there. But apart from that, the data entry part comes in, the reports comes in. So it increases if your work is not only just to do the camp and finish it off. It also covers from starting, like what all instruments are required for the camp se leke, and you can talk about the report format. So everything is getting covered. So we are building a future optometry much on the stronger note. Thank you.